One pizza too many. Cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One pizza too many. Now today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I thought we'd do a pizza, and you're thinking, well, what's different about that? However, we're not going to cook it on any of these nice pizza ovens we've got here. We're actually going to use the Lidl mini Landmann Kamado. Now you may have seen in my previous videos, we did an unboxing video which is just here of the Lidl mini Kamado and how well it's been used so far. It's been really good. Even with my big Kamado, I've used it quite a lot, so I thought let's have a go at making a pizza on it. Now if you want to have a go at this yourself at home, it's dead easy. You're just going to need a freshly made dough ball. So I made this yesterday. It's been cold proofed overnight. It's been reballed, then about 5 hours ago I reballed it, and I've just put it in some flour now ready to press out. I'm going to do it on here. I've got some mozzarella, grated mozzarella mix, some pepperoni and some tomato sauce, which I've just whizzed up in my Ninja blender. Now it's dead simple, dead easy to make a pizza. Obviously it's the cooking that's the interesting bit on this. Now this has been lit, it's been going now for about, I'd say 45 minutes, and temperature range is over at the 350 to 400 mark. I've just closed the top vent now while I'm talking, just to maintain some of the fuel. So let's get into the making of the pizza, but before that, make sure you do subscribe to the channel, and obviously you hit the bell for the notifications of when I release a new video. And also head over to our Facebook and Instagram page for all the in-between action and pictures and gossip. Right, let's make a pizza. First of all, we're going to start off with our dough ball. It's just in some flour. I'm just going to coat it and place it on. Now, the little Kamado is very small, so we're not going to go for a 12-inch pizza, which roughly is what this ring is on this board. However, depending on how this dough pushes out will depend on what type of pizza we do. So like I said earlier, this Kamado is really versatile. The tomahawk steak, which I did in my big Kamado because it wouldn't fit in the little one, so I then did a T-bone steak, which is just in the card next to us on the top of the screen. That turned out really well. Okay, so I think that will just be about the right size for pizza steel that we've got inside there now. Next, some sauce. And we're just going to work this round, leaving a small gap towards the crust. So, and then we'll put some cheese on. Now this won't cook as quick as it cooks in my uni pizza ovens that I've got next to me. They cook in about 60 seconds. Make sure you check out some of those videos if you like making pizzas. There we go, and then let's go on with the pepperoni. like so. Very nice. Then we are going to get the pizza peel, and we're going to just lift that edge and slide it on. Shuffle it a little bit just to remove some of the flour back onto the board through the perforated peel. Right, then I'm going to open up the vent. I'm just going to burp the Kamado like you should always do, because the last thing you want is for it to flash back. And you'll see 2 tiers on the Kamado, and again I've got a link to a video just above of how I made the rack for doing this. So I've got a grill riser, so the grill's actually higher than it would be normally. I've got a small heat deflector, 3 1-inch blocks, and a bigger pizza stone. So I'm just going to slide that on, and it fits perfectly, and we're going to close the lid. Okay, this has now been in about 4 minutes, so I'm going to just burp the Kamado because it is really hot. And then look at that pizza bubbling away. So we're just going to carefully slide it off. There we have it. Look at that. And that base, let me just lift that up. That base is really good. Just slide that onto there for you. Fantastic. There we have it, everyone. Really quick, really fast, really simple, and I hope you can see the base. It's amazing. Really, really good. My pizza steel setup has worked really well. If you like the pizza steel setup I've got in this, make sure you roll over and watch the next video that's coming up at the end, and you can see how I've made those to fit. Brilliant. Now let's cut it open. Now these pizza ovens here, the Uni one's really good. I would have got more of a crispier crust on those and a bit more browning on the top. I could have done that if I'd left the dome to get really, really hot. But it cuts really well. So you can see the nice air pocket in the crust, the cheese is stringy, and the base is really nice. Let's give it a little taste. Without burning my mouth out, because it is red hot. It's a completely different pizza experience having the pizza from a Kamado to a pizza oven. I'd say the base, actually, I really like it. I think it's worked really well. Let me know if you use your little mini Kamado for pizzas. Anything else you used it for? Has it given you a bit of inspiration to have a go? I'll definitely be using it more. I think it's a great bit of kit. Let me know what you'd put on your pizza. Head over to our Instagram and Facebook page at One Pizza Too Many, and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you're hitting that notifications bell, so when I release a new video you get to know. Thanks for watching, everyone, and hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time.
One pizza too many.